If you're trying to make your first $10,000, you don't have a motivation problem, you have a strategy problem. Because I tried 4 different ways to make my first 10K. Some made money fast, some nearly drained me, one almost made me quit, but one method changed everything. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what worked, what didn't, and if I had to start from zero again in 2026, which one I'd choose. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they chase the wrong model. They jump into crypto, they try day trading, they start drop shipping after watching one TikTok. But here's the truth. When you're at zero, you don't need passive income. You need active cash flow. Your first $10,000 isn't about freedom, it's about momentum. So I tested 4 paths. Here's what happened.
The first path I tried was in-person services. Simple things, car detailing, lawn care, basic labor jobs. And here's what shocked me. It worked immediately. No website, no logo, no fancy branding. Just, hey, I can solve this problem. Here's my price. Money came in fast. And when you're broke, fast money builds confidence. But here's the ceiling. You only get paid when you work. No work, no income. That's a trap.
There's another issue. You're limited by your time, your physical energy, and your local area. You can only wash so many cars per day. You can only mow so many lawns. It's great for your first $1,000, maybe even $5,000. But scaling to 10K fast? Hard. So I moved on.
Next, I tried selling products locally. Handmade goods, reselling small items, physical products. It felt exciting. But here's what nobody tells you. Margins are thin. You buy materials, you spend hours building, you hope someone buys. Profit disappears into costs. And demand? Limited to your area. This one nearly killed my momentum. Next, I tried selling products locally. Handmade goods, reselling small items, physical products. It felt exciting. But here's what nobody tells you. Margins are thin. You buy materials, you spend hours building, you hope someone buys. Profit disappears into costs. And demand? Limited to your area. This one nearly killed my momentum.
Then I discovered online services. No inventory, no materials, no shipping. Just skill. Video editing, copywriting, running ads, design. And here's the shift. Margins jumped to 70 to 90%. Money hit my account and stayed there. No restocking, no ad roulette. Just solve problem, get paid. Repeat. This was the breakthrough. But here's the truth. Online services didn't work because they were trendy. They worked because businesses always need help making money. And businesses think differently. If you help a business make $20,000, paying you $2,000 is easy. That's when I stopped selling tasks and started selling outcomes. Not I edit videos, but I help increase engagement and sales. That one shift accelerated everything. If I had to start from zero today, here's exactly what I'd do. Step 1. Pick one skill connected to revenue. Ads, sales funnels, email marketing, short-form editing for brands. Step 2. Offer it below market rate to get proof. Step 3. Document results publicly. Step 4. Raise prices once results are proven. And most importantly, be reliable. Answer messages fast. Hit deadlines. Over-deliver. Because 95% of people fail here. Talent doesn't win. Consistency wins. Your first $10,000 isn't about the money. It's about proof. Proof that you can create value. Proof that you can control income. Proof that you don't need luck. I tried 4 ways. 1 built cash. 1 built experience. 1 built scale. but only one built freedom. So if you're stuck, stop chasing shiny objects. Pick one model, commit, execute, improve. Your first 10K changes how you see money forever. And once you believe you can make it once, you'll realize you can make it again.